So the journey is going to begin. Dude, it's cold outside. I don't even know if I even want to go golfing today, but unfortunately, I don't have a choice. Let's go. I have to go to Grand Rapids today and get fitted for some Taylormade sim fairway woods, but hopefully my car lasts because I know I still have yet to get my ball joints done. I'm hoping I do not lose a wheel. So this entire time, it's called the Grounds, is what it's called. And it's not in Mount Morris, it is in Flushing. But you know what, I'll link the description again down below and you guys can check it out for yourself. Oh shoot, hit the door. Can I get a small? Small? Yeah. I would be happy either way. I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, they're still cool, but
thank you.
it's a little warmer.
So the golf simulator does work. Over there, it's about 35 for half an hour. So he said the buckets are actually kind of cold, so he was nice enough to warm them up for us. Hopefully the wind's not blowing on us again this time. Actually ran into my cousins, so I didn't realize they were golfing by me the entire time. My bad, guys. I have to go to U-Haul. I got to pick up a few things, but I ended up walking all the way around the building because I parked at the wrong place, and there's construction work going on, so I had to go around them too. I really hope this place is open, and they are not. So apparently they moved. Thank you. And I get to go all the way back around. Third time's a charm. Let's see if this is the place. Got what I needed for my buddy, and now, I don't know, maybe get some food, get some coffee, and then Grand Rapids. So now I'm at Myers. Had to get some food before I take this long trip. I probably have, in driving time, 2.5, well, in total, maybe 4.5 hours of driving time ahead of me. So I'm gonna fill up on food, and then we're gonna take off. Yeah. A pound of the chicken breast, and then also, then we get a pound of the strips, sirloin steak strip, please. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that I think it's supposed to snow today. And I'm not sure if this fitting is gonna work well now, since just because of the fact that if it snows bad, because it's packed inside Myers, and I asked somebody, like, you know, why it was so packed, and it was like, well, that bad snowstorm we're about to get. So hopefully we make it there and back. So about every 5 to 10 miles I've been seeing snow trucks with a whole bunch of salt in it. So hopefully I'm not getting myself into any trouble. If it's that building or if it's that building, I'm just gonna assume it's this one over here. Hope you guys appreciate this because I'm gonna have such a long drive home. It's gonna be snowing by the time I get it done with this, and I really hope I don't need to bring my clubs. But yeah, you know, we made it, and weather is really not that bad here. So it's actually really nice. So I don't know where to need to check in at, but the bar is always a good place to start, right? Hello. Pretty good. How about yourself? I actually had a fitting. I don't even know if I'm in the right spot or not. So yes, so I'm in a little bit early. So okay. All right, I appreciate you. This place is actually really cool. I think this might be my guy. the process. We need something like this back in Saginaw, or at least somewhere close to it. I'm allowed to bring my clubs in there, which is nice because I didn't know if I was gonna just go right off the bat and start hitting or what. So let's get them and let's get going.
So the Sim, it's actually a Sim Titanium, they call it.
Okay.
It is.
Sorry, man.
Yep, the Sim Titanium. The retail price on it is $399.
Okay.
So it's just because it's titanium, that's been the trend now. So it's up in cost. Our cost today is $369.
All right.
And that's one that we can drop ship right here.
All right. Now, okay, sweet. Yeah. I mean, I'll definitely buy it. So.
Okay. Yeah. Let me get your email and I'll send you the info.
Okay. I love the way it came off the face.
I was watching that too. And
After like the first hit, I was already knew. I was like, yeah, I love this. So.
Perfect. What's your email address?
It's gonna be.
I wish I had another bay for you to keep hitting because you're all the way over here.
Right.
And I'm sure I could get that info.
Sorry, I missed the.
Okay.
There's an IC in between the. Yep.
Hate that. And I can get it from him because they got your info. Okay?
All right.
Yeah, I'll send you the quote right there. We can work with it. And
all right.
I was gonna say, let me give you one of my clients.
Okay.
Actually, I'll just send you an email from
All the emails. Okay.
from that, and I'll send you one because he's gonna send the data to you.
Okay.
And get that all set.
I love it.
Absolutely.
Love it. Well, thank you so much,
My
man.
pleasure. Thanks for making the drive over.
No, dude. Yeah, I had a blast driving here, so but now I gotta have an even better time driving back
Yeah,
home,
it might be
so.
tough to drive home,
Yeah.
but.
All right, so the Taylormade fitting was a success. Sorry I didn't have any footage for you guys. I just wasn't allowed to record it. But yeah, now let's get home because, yay. I will say this, the Taylormade reps that were helping me out, love the fairway woods. Absolutely loved every single one I tried. The driver, wasn't a big fan of the driver. I was getting more distance out of my Titleist. We're averaging around 288 to 300. And then with the Taylormade, I was averaging about maybe 175 to 288. I know it's not big of a difference, but in golf terms, every yard counts. And the drive is gonna be fantastic. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Captain out. Also, if you guys aren't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let me know that you guys are in the comments down below. I appreciate every single thing, every single view that I'm getting right now. It's definitely a lot more than what I thought it was going to be. And it just makes me feel really proud that I have more than one view. And I want to say thank you guys for that. I truly appreciate it. Not even halfway home yet, man. It's starting to look crappier and crappier outside.